Vitro fertilization, or IVF, is a medical process that helps couples conceive a baby when natural pregnancy is difficult. Step 1. Ovarian hyperstimulation. In the first step, the woman is given hormonal injections to stimulate the ovaries. This helps produce multiple mature eggs instead of just one, increasing the chance of successful fertilization. Step 2. Egg retrieval. Once the eggs are mature, they are carefully collected from the ovaries using a minor surgical procedure. This is done under ultrasound guidance and usually with light anesthesia. Step 3. Egg and sperm preparation. After retrieval, the eggs are combined with the partner's sperm in a laboratory. Both are carefully prepared and selected for the best quality to improve fertilization chances. Step 4. Fertilization. In this step, the sperm fertilizes the egg in the lab. This forms an embryo, which is closely monitored as it begins to develop. Step 5. Embryo transfer. After a few days, the healthiest embryo is selected and gently placed into the woman's uterus, where it may implant and grow. Step 6. Pregnancy test. After about 2 weeks, a pregnancy test is done to confirm whether implantation was successful and pregnancy has started.